Boys and girls, today we're going to describe and compare triangles based on the number of sides that have equal length and by their angles. Okay, question says, how can you use straws of different lengths to make triangles? It says, cut straws of different lengths and find straw pieces that can put together to make a triangle. Draw them on your math board and find straw pieces that you cannot not put together to make a triangle. Here's what I want you to do. We're going to use pencils, not straws. So go ahead and get out 3 pencils, or you can have all 5 of them. All right, you can make a triangle when you have 2 of the pencils together that are longer than the 3rd pencil. So when can you make a triangle? When 2 pencils, stop rolling your pencils around. Pick one up and start writing. When 2 pencils are longer than the 3rd pencil. You can close up the straws and make a triangle. I'm not going to write that down. When can you not make a triangle?
When the 2 pieces are smaller than the one big one.
When 2 pencils are shorter and the 3rd pencil is long, you cannot close the triangle. Okay, number 3, how can you change the straw pieces in step 3 to make a triangle? So, step 3. Okay, so when you found pieces that you cannot put together to make a triangle, how can you make it so you can make a triangle?
Have 2 really long ones and a really short one.
Okay, have 2 long ones for the short ones. You can, should we say trade or change?
Trade.
Change. Change. The pencils, so there are 2 long ones and 1 short one. All right, ways to describe triangles.
3.
What are 2 ways triangles can be described? We're going to find the 2 ways. 1 way, triangles can be described by the number of sides that are of equal length. Draw a line to match the description of the triangles. Okay, so you have A right here. Everybody see A?
Yes.
Okay, does A have no sides that are equal in length?
No. No.
Yes.
Yes.
No. Okay,
Yes.
Stop. Is any of A's sides equal?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, there are some equal sides. So, this right here does not describe A. Are two of the sides equal in length for A?
Yes. Yes. No. They're all the same. So
Okay, it's only asking for two though. It's not asking for three.
So two are.
Are only two equal in length?
Yes.
No. Okay, you just told me, Eli, that all three are equal. So how can only two be equal if all three sides are equal? This is saying only two sides are equal.
This is
Okay. Listen. Three sides are equal in length. Are all three sides equal?
Yes.
Okay, go get your rulers. Okay. A, we measured now. All three of A's sides were 1 inch. Every side. So what does that mean? All three sides are equal in length. So A needs to connect to those words way on the opposite side. All three sides are equal in length. Okay, so we are matching this shape with those words because this shape has three sides of equal length and the word says three sides of equal length. Now B and E, you can tell not all those sides are equal in length. This one is much longer than the other two sides. And these both sides are much longer than the bottom. Right?
Yes.
However, does B and E have no sides that are equal, or do they have two sides that are equal? I mean, look at E. To me, E has
no sides.
To me, E has two sides.
Yeah.
This side and this side are equal. This side is not.
No
And this side and this side is equal, but this side is way longer.
Yeah. No side.
Okay, so we said B and E have two sides that are of equal length. And which words say that? The words right below it, right?
Yes.
So you are going to connect the dot by B and E to the lines right below it. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, then you have D and C. Look at C. Look how long this line is. It's a very long line. This one is much shorter, right?
Yes.
Okay, and this one is medium long. Because it's pretty long, but it's not as long as this other one. But in C, are any of those sides equal then?
No.
No, none of those sides are equal. And this one too. This has a short side and a medium side, medium to long, and then a very long side again. So this one will go to no sides are equal. That's how you can describe a triangle. You can describe a triangle by saying it has three equal sides, it has two equal sides, or it has no equal sides. Okay? That's one way to describe a triangle. Third grade, you're going to repeat that because you feel like I'm talking to you guys aren't understanding because nobody's looking and nobody's seeing anything.
I'm understanding.
Okay, so what's the one way you can describe a triangle?
Looking at the sides.
Okay, but what I'm saying is, what's one way?
You can see if all the sides are equal.
Okay, so one way to describe a triangle is all the sides are equal. The other way is
two sides are equal.
two sides are equal. And the last way is no sides are equal. Okay, then another way to describe triangles is triangles can be described by the types of angles that they have. just looking at angles. You're not just looking at the sides, you're looking at the angles. Draw a line to match the description of the angle. Okay, look at C's angle right there. The angle is where the two arrows are. You see that?
Yeah.
Okay, now when we talk about angles, we need our little square papers, so you guys are going to have to go get those. Okay, so we said that this angle right here that they're showing us is a greater than right angle. Okay? They're only looking at that angle, boys and girls. So let's read these three options. One angle is a right angle. Does this have any angles that are right angles?
No.
No. Now A and, okay, well, then let's see the next words. One angle is greater than a right angle. Did we just say that one of the angles was greater?
Yes.
Okay, so this is probably going to match this one. Now let's read the third option just in case I'm wrong. Three angles are less than a right angle. Well, there's only three angles and we said one of them was greater, right?
Yeah.
So we can't say that. We just have to, so it matches the second pair of words.
Because there's only three, there can't be four.
Okay, now I want you to measure the angles on A and tell me what kind of angles those are. When you are measuring them, I want you to put less than if it's less than, or L for less than, G for greater if that is greater, or R for right angle if it's a right angle. Okay? L, G, or R so that I know which kind of angle it is. Okay, on A, what'd you get for this top angle? Less than a right angle. What'd you get for this side, the left side?
Less than.
Less than. What'd you get for the right side?
Less than.
Okay, what'd you get for E?
Less than.
On the top, what'd you get on this side?
Less than.
And this side? Okay, so all those angles are less than. Which one of these words says that?
The last one.
Yes, the last one says all three angles are less than a right angle. Now look at B and D, boys and girls. They have a square on them.
So that means the right angle.
That means in that part there is a right angle. So do B and D have one right angle?
Yes.
Yes, so match that with the other one. So you can describe triangles by their sides, or what kind of sides they have. If they have the same length sides, or two sides are equal length, or no sides are equal length. Or you can describe them by their angles, saying they have one greater than right angle, two greater than right angles, one right angle, two right angles, three right, and there's not going to be three right angles, there's only going to be one ever. Or less than right angles, okay? Okay, share and show. Number 8 said, sense or nonsense. Martin has said a triangle can have two sides that are parallel. Does this statement make sense? Explain. We said no, because a triangle only has three sides. And so all the sides touch, which is not parallel. Parallel means no sides touch. Number 9, compare triangles R and S. How are they alike? How are they different? We said they are alike because they have three less than right angles. Both of them have three less than right angles. They are different because R has 3 equal sides and S has 2 equal sides. Okay, so we said describe the shape at the front of the building by its sides and its angles. If you look at the paper back here, you have no side equal, 2 sides equal, or 3 sides equal. We said that all the sides are equal. And then describing the angles, we said that you have one right angle, one greater than right angle, or all 3 angles are less than, and we said all 3 angles are less than a right angle. Okay, we drew a line, cutting the rectangle from one corner to the next. We said we made 2 triangles. And what did we notice? Both triangles are the same size, not side, the same size, and have only one right angle. One right here and one right here.